Hey guys, it's PCAP715, making an update video on my car. So far everything's fixed, so I've started upgrading things. I just got, for Christmas, a muffler. I obviously know this doesn't add power or anything, but definitely makes the ride more enjoyable. I like the sound of them. It's a ractive fireball silence muffler from Canadian Tire. So I'm going to start this up for you guys and let you hear what it sounds like. If I can't get the camera to... Alright, here we go. Alright, I couldn't rev it up too much because I don't want to piss off my neighbors. It's pretty good exhaust in the car. Sounds nice and loud outside the car, not too loud though that, you know, cops are going to get pissed off at you. Pretty much for not even pushing the gas at all. But yeah, in the car it's fairly quiet. You can't really hear it too much when you're on the highways and whatnot. So yeah, that's the update on my car, and I'll be doing more soon. I got any new headlights soon. Just ordered some halo projectors. And I guess, yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and show your friends, guys. Thanks for watching.